Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. I am doing a whole house clean with me. This is a whole house reset. It's Sunday and I am refreshing the week, getting prepared to start a new week. So let's start by cleaning in the bedroom, and later in the day I will be cleaning in the kitchen. Guys, I do have a two-roomed house, so it's not a hassle. We can do it, and it's either you clean with me or you are going to get motivated for your next cleaning. So guys, enjoy this video, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for coming and thank you for clicking on this video. Please do consider subscribing and becoming the member of this family. And to those new members who just came in recently, I thank you so much. Here we are going to enjoy and have a lovely time together. So yeah, let's do enjoy the video. And if you want to just clean, just go grab your mop, grab your broom and all those cleaning tools that you use, so that you can put on my video on your screen. It's either any gadget or TV, so that you can do it together. So yeah, let's just get it into the video.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
So this rug needs to be cleaned now and then, because I don't have a what you call a hoover. And besides a hoover, it's so very light to can just clean it with water now and then. Like when you do your laundry, you can put it in your last load of your laundry after washing everything. Then you can just chukucha it here and there, so that I can reduce the dust in it and the soil that is busy accumulating during the week. It's so not much of a hassle to clean this rug. It's so very soft. So right now I am done, and I am going to be sweeping. From sweeping, I'll be using my purpose cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, multi-surface purpose cleaner to do my wood and the mirror there. Then I will mop later.
We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second.
Yes guys, as for this thing here called shoe rack, I'm not sure if is it a shoe rack or I don't even want to talk too much. So guys, if you want to buy this one, please consider yourself not going to put in heavy shoes, heavy as a rock, because it doesn't stand upright. It goes here and there, left and right. As you can see, I'm trying to fix it, and yeah, it's just that I bought it and I can see but you can see for yourself, and it's not making my life very easy. So but at least it's keeping me tidy up in terms of packing my shoes. So yeah, I will look for another one as time goes on.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down, my head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a
As for the wiring behind the door, I don't know what to do about them. I don't know how to pack them because they keep on tripping and matsapa behind the door ke mission anymore.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.
This spray here is Mr. Sheen multi-surface purpose cleaner, which kills germs and all those whatever, including colds, fights. It has got a lot of description, guys. If you want it, you can go buy it. It's available in any supermarket, I think. Yeah, you can just go and buy it.
Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
I hope we are still together. I hope we are still doing good. I'm done in the bedroom and let's just go into the kitchen. Let's start working again. Let's clean together or you get motivated for your next cleaning. Because it's a reset, it wasn't that much of a hassle here or a very big mission. It was clean. I was just keeping things together and managing the place. So I'm putting water. I don't know what's that water for. I always just put water to have hot water in the house, and my dishes were clean. So yeah, I was just going to mop the floor, tidy up, and we are good to go.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out.
Another hustle of wires just there behind those chairs. Le yona ke mission wa tseba ke gore go cleaner mola ke mathata mola ene o tsebe le gore dilo those wires somehow they are kwamoga, they disconnect from the battery and they take power from the battery to the inverter, and I take power from the inverter, energy from the inverter, and supply to the lights. So sometimes it gets disconnected, this thing.
Too hard. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I'm in a tropic club.
For my mopping this time, I was using bleach and Dettol floor cleaner and Handy Andy. I always mix them together. I don't know how, but I just feel their disinfection and their product inside they can fight the germs on the floor and all that. So I just mix them together.
Get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I.
Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Thank you guys for cleaning with me, or you got motivated. Please share this video, subscribe to my channel, and give it a like. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Only you